Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa aking napakaganda at napaka-sexing sisi ko'y Megan. Dagdagan ka na naman ng isang taon, pero always beautiful pa rin. Happy birthday, sisi ko'y. Wish you all the best. At naway mapuno ng kasiyahan at pagmamahal ang araw ng iyong kaarawan. Stay as you are, sisi ko'y. Always be beautiful. And sana maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Shout out to all the Click family, sa aming napakagandang kapitana, Captain Ann, to all co-captains, my loves, Mayora, co-captain Ange, kay Ange, hello Ange, kay Brian, kay Kuya Omer, kay Sugar Babe, and to all members of Click family, hello! At pagpasensya nyo na po yung camera ko. Malabong-malabo na. Rush video ito. Kinukulit na ako ni Lalabs ko Mayora eh. And thank you so much and happy birthday again. Naway masaya ka namin sa gabing ito, sisi ko'y. I love you always. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Hello everyone. Maayong gabi, good evening, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Lalong-lalo na sa ating abtik, buutan, o gwapa nga kapitan, Captain Ann, at sa kanyang mga kokaks, to my best friend Ange, and sis wow! Brian, Kuya Oms, Sugar Babe, to my palangging, Mayora, and sa lahat, to my Click family guys, maayong gabi So sa mga baguhan dito, sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, ako nga pala, si Japoy, ang bungutong bayot nga laagan na naniniwala sa kasabihang kahit pangit, nakakabuntis din. And I thank you. So eto na, hindi ko na pahabain pa, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. To my friend, Simply Apple, my friend, happy birthday to you. Agad pa unta nga tagaan pa kag dugang kabaskog sa imong panglawas ug taas pa nga kinabuhi ug daghang kwarta para wala gyud problema. And again my friend, happy birthday to you. Paglipay kay imong adlaw nga natauhan karon. And makakato. Basta kung naakay problema, naalang ko dire. Kung ganahan pa ka maminaw sa akong mga kanta, i-chat lang ko dayon kaya mag-live ko para mag-jamming ta. And to my Click family, mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi. Wag nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Lahat sumali sa mga pa-games kung meron man. Dahil kilalang-kilala ko yan si friend Apple. Pag yan mag-enjoy, ay talaga uulan ng Gcash dito sa atin. Kaya guys, sumali ang lahat. Mag-enjoy tayong lahat. Again, good evening everyone and my friend, happy birthday. God bless.
Yes man. Happy birthday girl sa si Koy Megan, sa aming pinakamagandang co-captain ng Click Fam. I wish you good health, more birthdays to come, more blessings to come, and sana ma-reach mo lahat ng goals mo sa buhay. Thank you for being supportive co-captain. Thank you for being generous. And thank you sa help. You truly are a blessing to all people around you. And sana wag kang magbago, Sisi Koy. Just stay as you are. And I wish you all the best. Wish you all happiness. This is your day. Just enjoy your day. God bless you. Sana maging masaya ka today. That's all. We love you from Click family. Thank you so much for being our co-captain. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the most fabulous woman I know. One of our co-captain here in Click family. No other than Simply Apple or Simply Megan. Kagkawad, Charot. You may have no idea how much your friendship means to me. I may not say it often that I love you. I can't believe how lucky I am to found a friend like you. Thank you so much for all the blessings na binahagi mo sa amin. Or thank you sa mga tulong at maitutulong mo pa. Charot. Bagaglet si Ox. Thank you, sis. Maraming salamat talaga. God bless you always. Good health. More years to count. Chup chup mama. Love love. Happy birthday. Kagawad na mo.
Hi, hello Click family. And tonight we are celebrating Kukak's Megan birthday. And Sisi Koy, happy birthday. My wish for you is enjoy every day of your life. Be blessed because you deserve it. A very good woman inside and out. A very, very, very beautiful woman. Ayun. More candles to blow, Sisi Koy, and thank you sa event tonight. Let's enjoy the night. It's your night. Happy birthday, Sisi Koy Megan, and I love you so much. We Click family are here always for you, no matter what. And what I'm gonna say, you have nananimutanhan. Ano na lang, good health and happiness. Happiness, number one. And money will follow na lang na yung money. Okay, Sisi Koy, I love you and happy birthday.
Hi, Sisi Koy Megan, Simply Apple. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best in life because you deserve it. Because you are such a very great person, a very wonderful friend to us, a woman with a very big heart, and salamat for the friendship. And I am always praying for your good health and your safety wherever you go. And enjoy your special day, Sisi Koy, with the Lord and with your loved ones. Once again, happy birthday, and let's enjoy your celebration with the Click family. I love you, Sisi Koy.
Hi, Sisi Koy Megan. Happy birthday. We love you. Thank you sa walang sawang pag-help sa PAM natin. Yun, mabuhay ka at gusto mo, ingat.
侥幸呀，叫我儿子，就是我上吊我穷过了耶，总之是呢，房子是关了房了，穷就是。
Happy birthday